People like us down over in Maryland where they had horses and stuff. They did have the hay or whatever they said.
So what did I get here? A Tyco Union Pacific. It has the pancake or the power torque motor in it. Say what you want about Tyco, but actually these pancake motors run pretty daggone good for $3. What's this say? Kansas, Colorado, Durango. Again, a Tyco with the pancake power torque motor. $3. I just bought it because it looked different. Silver Streak, Tyco, again, pancake power torque motor. I like it. Needs a little cleaning, but for $3, we're good. This one here, actually, I just liked it. It was cool, different. It says Pathmark on it, 1998. This is actually a Bachmann, so I don't know much about Bachmanns. I did crack it open. It's got a pancake motor in it, and it's got this horn hook on the back. That'll have to go. So that's what we got from that guy. $3 each. So this guy had trains for $3 again. Says lights only, which means it doesn't work. Yeah, that's what you think. I'll get it fixed. This one here, I already have one of these, so I'll probably paint that a different color. Who knows? It says does not run. Yeah, again, $3. That's what you think. This one here is kind of a funny thing. I was going to buy it because it had the coupler on the back here for these Tycos, and I really need to find out what that part number is or where to get these, because I could not figure out where that part comes from or what it is. It's clipped. It goes on the back here for the coupler pocket, I guess you'd say. But anyhow, what do I care? I figured out how to 3D print them. I designed a coupler pocket for these guys, and that works just fine. So it cost me nothing to do that. So $6 for all these, basically $2 a piece. Bada bing, bada bang. So these guys here, he had $3 a piece, or 4 for $10, so that comes out to $2.50 a piece. You know what I was after? I thought these were kind of cool. Couple coal cars, gondolas, whatever you call them. Need to fix a coupler there. But this is what I was after here. Another dump car. It says Bachmann on the bottom. So I need to do a little research and figure out exactly how that's supposed to work. If there's another part of it that goes with it, I don't know. A bunch of N-scale turnouts here. Good grief, they're all tied together. But anyhow, he had them $4 a piece, or 3 for 10. I said, well, what would you want with 3 of them? I need 4 of them, so I got them 4 of them for $12. So that's a good deal. So basically, I guess I got $1 or $2 off of them, whatever. That's a future project. N-gauge turnouts. Let's see. A bunch of HO cars here. Pulled out of a box, the bottom of a box. Got a Corvette, a couple of Javelins. That's a Javelin. I don't know what this is here. So 50 cents a piece, so I gave him $2 for those guys. Let's see. Okay. Then the mystery box. Dun-dun-dun-dun. So what I was after with the mystery box was the turnout relays. They're normally between, well, that says $275 on there. I guess if you had to buy them new, maybe $8 to $10, but anyhow, that's what I was after. I didn't know if he wanted to sell the whole box of this stuff or just these, so I paid $7 for this box. So let's see what's in there. So we got 3 relays there. There's a terminal track. Was that a buffer? A re-railer and a terminal. Curve track. Half of a curve track. Curve. Again, a re-railer and terminal. Curve. I'm at the bottom of something there. Okay. Again, curve re-railer and terminal. Curve track. Straight track. Straight 3 inches. Some nickel curve track. Another terminal. This is interesting. I don't know what this is here. Maybe for a dump car or for, I don't know. We'll find out what that is. Another curve track. Another piece of a curve track, half of one, whatever. Another Atlas terminal. Straight. Ah, a turnout. Okay. Curve piece. Another, what, 3-inch straight piece. What do we have here? Oh, I guess that's what you would call a Y. No, that's a switch. I don't know. So, what else? Looks like some track joiners here. They're worth having. Ah, the bonus. Here we go. This is an unopened box of plastic joiners or track couplers. So if you wanted to insulate a certain section of track, like turnouts or whatever, they would be handy. And actually, I needed some of these. It says $1.15 on the box, but I'm sure by now, if I had to buy them, it'd be a whole lot more than that. So that's worth a couple bucks in itself. Couplers. A bunch of horn hook couplers. And more couplers, horn hook couplers. Okay. Oh, look at that. More insulated track joiners, couplers. More regular couplers. Booyah. Okay. Oh, goodness. There's a whole other bag in here. What is in this bag? So this bag contains a bunch of track joiners, couplers, and it looks like parts of track couplers. Well, that's only a fraction of what's in there. Nails. Okay, well, that's interesting. That's always good stuff. So $7 for all that stuff. That's a bargain. Like I said, I was just interested in these guys here. So I mean, I figured $1 or $2 a piece. I paid $7 for all this. Good deal. So the bonus of the day. I bought these two N-gauge. Wait a minute, there was something else. I bought this N-gauge Santa Fe for $5. It's a Bachmann. It does run. I tested it. Doesn't have any couplers on it, so I need to do that. But yeah, $5. I don't know what the deal is with N-gauge. There's another guy that had some of these, and he wanted $20 a piece for them. And I was thinking, you know, for a used N-gauge, not for $20. So I got this guy here for $5. So, bonus of the day. I bought a observation car and a dining car. Pennsylvania. I liked them. I'm going to use them. But I bought them, and he had something else. I love this. I saw this here, Woody's HO car, so I thought. I said, I'll give you $1 for it. I bought those two. He says, you could have it. Guess what? I took it home and found out that this actually has a motor in it. It is, I don't know what you call it, a rail car or a gandy dancer, whatever, but it actually has a motor in it like you would see on your slot cars. This wheel here is a little jacked, but that's alright. I can straighten that out. This is so cool. So basically this thing will run on the track. That is too cool. So that was completely free, and I thought I was just buying a car like one of these guys, but instead I got this. So awesome. So that's what I got. Ended up spending $59 today, and it's all the cool stuff that I got.